Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you the trader diary from CScalp trading platform. It's a free and extremely useful service provided by CScalp. Let's start with signing up. Visit the website. You will be offered to register through Telegram or Gmail. I would prefer Gmail. Here you choose a registration, fill the registration form. After you confirm the email address, just set the password. Here in settings, we should add our APKs from API management section of the exchange you are using, Binance or FTX. Let's use Binance API as an example. Let's visit Binance. Here in API management section, we should enable reading and copy APK and secret key to these forms correspondingly. Now we tap here to the crypto diary and see the history of our trades. The trades are sorted by the columns. The first column is a link to share your result with someone. You just copy the link here and the results of the chosen date will be available by the link. The second column is the time when the trade was made. The next column, APK of the trade account. Fourth column is P&L, or your net profit or net loss. The next column is an instrument name. This column indicates the direction of your trade, long or short. Here we see P&L again, but in percentage. The commission taken by the exchange for a trade. And finally, the two columns are about your arguments for entrance and additional comments correspondingly. You can also filter out some parameters here in settings. We can add what we want or get rid of elements not useful for you. You can also group the trades by periods, by weeks, month, hiding the days. This is how we can look through the concrete trade. Here we see the prices of our entrance and closing positions. There we can find time, direction, trade volume in lots, price, order volume in dollars, commission in percentage, and commission in dollars. Here you can share the result of a trade in your Telegram. The next button is for downloading the image, and finally full screen mode. Here you can add a comment. Now let's make the trade and see how it's projected in our diary. The instrument is XLM. Graphically, the situation is looking perfect for applying breakthrough strategy, but the situation lacks huge amount of limit orders to be broken. But I noticed active purchases, that's why I entered long. My limit orders were executed. I entered a very small amount of lots. As far as the Bitcoin was at the downtrend, so I didn't want to risk against the Bitcoin movement. However, the clusters were gradually filling with green color. The purchases continued. Here I set the take profit. The current 5-minute cluster was filled with a green color and the previous one. It means that the purchases are still active. However, I prefer fixing position partially as far as the movement was against the Bitcoin movement. I have already fixed the half of my position. As far as we see the new point of control, and the red color is gradually adding to the clusters. It means that some scalpers are fixing positions and many sellers are getting in force. Here I already closed the huge part of my position. In clusters we see the mix of green and red colors. It means that there is a real fight between buyers and sellers. The last part of my position is left. The situation gives us more than a percent. I've removed stop loss closer. As far as we see the fight between buyers and sellers there. Finally, the new 5 minutes cluster is filling with the red color more and more. It means that most scalpers who entered long already fixed their positions and sellers is beginning to sell. I give a chance to my trade. However, here we see the new point of control as a resistance zone formed by sellers. This point of control doesn't allow the price getting higher. Taking into account totally red clusters and point of control, I decided to close position. Now let's look at the diary. After refreshing the list, here we see our latest trade, all the information we see here, additional information, and entry points and where we closed positions partially. Our profit is stipulated here. We see that by the trade we managed to earn $7. We hope this video will be useful for you. The video was prepared for the CScalp trading platform team. Thank you.